Yo, don't click off. What's up? I got a little pick for you. Between waffles or pancakes. I know you picked pancakes because pancakes are obviously the best. But if you picked waffles, you're crazy. Waffles, they're square, they're hard, too crunchy and stuff. Nasty, bro. You're chewing crunchy flour, eggs, and enriched bleached bullcrap. When you could be having pancakes, which all you need is the batter and the water. Well, I do need flour and other stuff, but still, way better than waffles. It's flat, just how I like it. It's good. There's a good taste. That's a good taste. It doesn't make you fat like waffles do. You guys really like waffles. No, you guys don't. Same thing, I hate waffles. Waffles are just terrible. Hate them. What's your reasoning for liking for the last one I ate was waffles. That's why I'm stuttering and not as funny as I want to be. I'm gonna be funnier. And now I'm gonna be funnier. By proving the point that pancakes are the best. I'm proving it right now. Pancakes have no sides. But waffles do. No. Think about that. Think about that. Pancakes have no sides. But waffles do. Wait, that actually sounded kind of. Ooh. Ooh. I know you heard that. I know you heard that. I know you heard that. You heard exactly what I said. Should I say it again? Pancakes have no sides, but waffles do. And a discussion.